regular gobe. Then we have the bambara beans here.
Let me see the bambara.
Okay, it's there. And then we have beans here, and this one has a lot.
This one.
It's also beans. But this one has, okay, so they all have shrimp, but this one has chunks of shrimp in there and lots of flavor. Yeah.
So why do you make it in a different variety or different times?
Well, beans is almost everybody's favorite food, but we all like to eat it in different ways. So these are all different ways, like varieties, to explore what your taste is and what suits your needs. Yes, so that's why we have this. We want to cater to different categories of people.
Why is it a lot of people are saying that Davy Gobe is the best, where others are also saying that Ayele Gobe is the best? So which one will you go for? Is it Davy or Ayele?
Oh, boss, this one there, Davy dear. You know Dada. It's always Davy, number 9, no size.
I thought the Davy people, the Davy